this lesson. Just to check whether you all have any doubts about any questions from last time's lesson. Any questions you all have? Anyone has any clarifications? I think last time we did vowels and also possessive nouns. Was everyone able to understand what we learned last week?
Yes.
No questions? Okay. Right then. So today we'll start on what we call the article. Okay, what is called the article. So what is actually meant by the article is where you have to use these words like an, and the. Okay, and the. So last week we learned, if you say, like for example, a book. So a book in Tamil, what would you normally say in Tamil? How would you say it? Oru puttagam, a book. Okay. So that is, the meaning is oru puttagam. So similarly, if you say, if you use a vowel, egg. Okay, egg is mutta. So E is a vowel. So you have to say an egg. Okay. You say an egg. You can't say a egg. You have to say an egg. So again, an is also oru mutta, an egg. Okay. So and an is the same meaning. Oru. Now, where do you use the? Can anyone tell me where you use the? Pardon?
The doctor.
No, I couldn't hear you. If you say, for example, anyway, let's do this example at the bottom and say. Now see, if you say, I am going to London tomorrow. Okay, so you can't say I am going to the London. Okay, the London is wrong. You don't say. Okay, so if you say, I am going to see a movie tomorrow. I am going to see a movie. Now, a movie. So, a movie. But if you say, I am going to see movie at Liberty Theatre tomorrow. So, there you have to put the and the movie, that particular movie. So, there you use the. Okay, that is where you use the. I am going to see the movie. I am going to see the, I don't know, but the shop in. Now, let's see, we'll do some examples and you understand. Okay, now what will you put here? Let's see this for 2 or 3 examples. Are you coming to party next Saturday? Will you put the or an? Are you coming to party next Saturday? Can someone tell in Tamil what the meaning is? Ama, and the party. Next Saturday party. So what will you put here?
That.
Yeah, the. Are you coming to the party? Okay, are you coming to the party? And the party. That particular party. Okay, now this one, what will you put? I bought new TV set yesterday.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now or a TV set. TV set. I bought a new TV set. A new TV set. Okay, next one. This one. I think man over there is very ill. He can't stand on his feet. Okay, can you please tell in Tamil, then we can understand whether we have to say the or no the.
Sir, once again, repeat.
No. Can you tell this sentence in Tamil? I think man over there is very ill. Can someone tell it in Tamil?
அங்கே இருக்கிற மனிதன் சுகவீனமாக இருக்கிறதாக நினைக்கிறேன்.
அங்கே இருக்கிற மனிதன், that man. அங்க இருக்க அந்த மனுஷன். So you have to say the. I think the man over there is very ill. and the man, that man. Okay, then you say the. Okay, next one, let's see. I watched video you had sent me. I watched video you had sent me. நீங்க அனுப்புன வீடியோ நான் பார்த்தேன்.
I watched the video.
I watched the, yes, there you said the. I watched the video. நீங்க அனுப்புன வீடியோ. I watched that video, அந்த வீடியோ. Okay, she was wearing ugly dress when she met him. ஒரு அசிங்கமான dress. Okay, ugly dress is அசிங்கமான dress.
He was wearing a and
No, not a. And because vowel. Okay, she was wearing an ugly dress because you is a vowel. Okay, so she was wearing an ugly dress. ஒரு அசிங்கமான dress உடுத்திட்டு இருந்தா. ஒரு. So for and for if you are saying ஒரு something, then you have to say and n. Otherwise you have to use the. Okay, so I think the best way of doing this is with some practice. So let's do we'll do some sentence and see whether you can. So fill in the blanks with a and the, or leave blank. Okay, now say for example, if you say like this. Okay, what will you put there? I am going to Chennai. What will you put here?
Sir, screen not sharing.
Oh, screen is not. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Okay, now can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so I am going to Chennai. So what do you put here?
In Chennai.
No, I am going to Chennai. Na Chennai ki poren. So what will you say? I am going to. What do you put? And the, or nothing?
Nothing.
Yes, nothing. Okay, I am going to Chennai. That's all. You can't say I am going to the Chennai. That is not correct. So any place you are going, any name of place, you can't say the. It's just I am going to Chennai. I am going to London. Okay, so you can't put anything there. So that's why now we have got in this exercise, fill in the blanks with a and the, or you don't put anything, leave blank. Okay, so let's do this exercise. Let's see. So what is the first one? I am
crazy about reading.
I am crazy about reading history books. So what is the meaning? What is the meaning of that in Tamil?
அந்த வரலாற்று புத்தகங்களை வாசிப்பதில் நான் பைத்தியமாய் இருக்கிறேன்.
Yes, I'm crazy about means I like it a lot. I like. Okay, so what will you put? What will you put before history? Do you put the or
The.
I'm crazy about reading the history books. Any other answers?
That.
Pardon? No. And the, or you have to leave blank. Which is the correct one?
The.
No, actually nothing there. Blank. Okay, I am crazy about reading history books. So you don't put the or anything. Now for example, you say, I like reading English books. You can't say, I like reading the English books. I like reading English books. So similarly here, I am crazy about reading history books. Okay, nothing. No, you don't put anything. It's blank. Okay, next one. She is nice girl.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's a nice girl.
She is a nice girl. Avaru nalla girl. She is oru nalla girl. So a nice girl. Okay, next one. Do you want to go to restaurant?
We
Yes.
want to go to The restaurant.
Yes.
The
Do you want to
restaurant.
go to the restaurant? And the restaurant, and the particular restaurant. So the restaurant where we first met. Okay. He is engineer who won the prize.
An engineer.
Yes. Sorry. He is the engineer. Sorry. He is the, because now if you, what is the meaning of this in Tamil? Can someone tell me the meaning of this in Tamil?
அந்த இவர்தான் பிரைஸ் ஜெயிச்ச அந்த இன்ஜினியர்.
And the prize ஜெயிச்ச engineer அவர்தான். Okay, he is the engineer. Now if I said like this,
He is an engineer.
correct. If I had put like this, okay, then he is an engineer. Our engineer. But that was not the sentence. The sentence was he is the engineer who won the prize. Avarthan the prize jeicha engineer. So he is the engineer who won the prize. Okay, understood. Right. I bought pair of shoes.
Yeah.
Or a pair of shoes. I bought a pair of shoes. Okay, I saw a movie at Ashok Cinema last night.
I saw the
Yes, I saw
Yeah.
the movie. And the movie. Ashok Cinema kaatra movie na paathen. And the movie. I saw the movie at Ashok Cinema last night. They are staying at hotel down my lane.
at the
Is that correct?
hotel.
Ama. Down my lane, and the hotel la irukkranga. They are thangranga. They are staying at the hotel down my lane. Okay, I think I know a woman over there. She is famous actress. I think if you can tell in Tamil, it might be better. If someone can translate in Tamil. I think I know a woman over there.
அங்கே இருக்கிற அந்த பெண்மணி எனக்கு நினைக்கிறேன்.
நான் நினைக்கிறேன் அந்த பெண் எனக்கு தெரியும்.
தெரியும்.
நான் நினைக்கிறேன் அந்த பெண் எனக்கு தெரியும். So what do you put here?
That.
I think I know the woman over there. She is famous actress.
Famous.
A famous actress. Or a famous actress. She is a famous actress. Okay. I do not like basketball.
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
I do not like basketball. I do not like cricket. I do not like football. You can't say I do not like the. I do not like basketball. Okay. So there's nothing there. Okay. Next one. That is girl I told you about. Yes, that is the girl. Avatar and the girl. That is the girl I told you about. So that particular girl. Right. Night is quiet. Let us take walk.
The night is quiet. Let us have walk.
The night is quiet. Let us take
Walk.
a walk. The night is quiet. Let us take a walk. Okay.
The price.
Yes. The price of gas keeps rising. Okay. The price of gas keeps rising. Okay. John traveled to Mexico. Nothing. Okay. John traveled to Mexico. John traveled to India. Okay. You can't put the, nothing comes. Okay. Juan is Spanish. Ravi is Indian.
John is nothing. Ravi is an Indian.
An Indian.
Actually, Ravi is Indian also. You can keep that as a blank. Juan is Spanish. Ravi is Indian. You don't need to put anything. An Indian. Ravi is an Indian. Not necessary. Both you can keep blank. Juan is Spanish. Ravi is Indian. Okay. So you don't need to put anything in between. Okay. I read amazing story. No, again, I think better get translate in Tamil. What is the meaning? Amazing, what is the meaning? Ama. Na oru அற்புதமான
ஸ்டோரியை ரீட் பண்ணு.
Okay, so what do you put here then?
That.
No, ஒரு அற்புதமான.
Yeah.
No.
And.
Amazing. That is vowel. Okay, because a vowel, so you have to put an. I read an amazing story. Okay. My brother does not eat chicken.
the,
that,
My brother does not eat chicken.
Nothing.
Nothing. My brother does not eat chicken. I do not eat fish. I do not eat meat. You know, you don't put anything. No, there, nothing. My brother does not eat chicken. Okay, so no need of the. Okay, love is such beautiful thing.
nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing here.
Such a
Here
beautiful.
also nothing.
Such a, yes. No, love is such a beautiful thing. Sorry, love. What do you say? Love is what? What do you say for love in Tamil? Is it kadalo, anbu? Anbu oru beautiful. What do you say? Beautiful, alagana. So oru alagana. So again, a beautiful thing. Okay, I like blue T-shirt over there better than red one.
that,
Yeah,
there is-
yeah.
No,
Yeah.
there's no, not that. The or an.
yeah,
No, I like the blue T-shirt over there. Anga irukra blue T-shirt, and the blue T-shirt. So I like the blue T-shirt over there better than
the red, the red,
the red.
the,
Okay, I like the blue T-shirt over there better than the red one. Okay, their car does 150 miles
An hour.
and,
an hour. Okay, hour is because the H is silent, so hour, an hour. Where is USB drive I lent you last week?
the,
Yes, where is the and the USB drive? Where is the USB drive I lent you last week? Okay, do you still live in Bristol?
no,
Blank. Okay, do you still live in Bristol? Is your mother working in old office building?
blank, and,
Yeah, now here you can put the and you can put an also. Two are correct. Is your mother working in the old office and the old office building la work பண்றாங்களா? And so then you can say the. You can also say உங்களோட அம்மா ஒரு old office la work பண்றாங்களா? So both are correct. The and both are correct. Okay. The and. Okay.
And-
Carol's father works as electrician.
And elect-
An electrician. Okay, tomatoes are 99 pence kilo.
blank,
A kilo. Okay, tomatoes are 99 pence a kilo. 1 kilo, 99 pence. What usually do you have for breakfast?
the,
Any other answers?
the,
No, nothing.
nothing.
What do you usually have for breakfast? What do you have for lunch? Okay, you can't say what do you have for the lunch or the breakfast. What do you have for breakfast? What do you have for lunch? So nothing there. Okay, Ben has terrible headache.
Nothing.
பெண்ணுக்கு ஒரு சரியான தலைவலி இருக்கு ஒரு
yeah,
so
And
Ben has a terrible headache. Okay, Ben has a terrible headache. Okay, after this tour you have whole afternoon free to explore the city.
blank,
the whole,
The
yeah,
no, after this tour you have the whole afternoon. After this tour you have the whole afternoon free. Full afternoon free இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு after this tour. So you have the whole afternoon. Okay, look at C.
The
the sea, the sea,
Look at the sea. Look at the sea. Who is lady in picture?
who is the lady in the picture?
Who Who is the lady
In the
in the picture? Who is the lady in the picture? Okay, I visited South Africa last summer.
the, the I visited the
No, I told you, no, like Chennai. I am going to Chennai. So I visited nothing. You don't put anything. I visited South Africa. I visited London last summer. I visited Australia. Okay, you can't say the Australia. I visited Australia, South Africa. But if you say, for example, if you say, now if you see this one, I visited United Kingdom last year. Okay, here you can say the. I visited the United Kingdom. Or if you say, I visited the USA, same thing. You have to say the. I visited the United States of America last year. Okay, there you say the. But if you are mentioning any other name of any country, you have to say there is nothing, no, only blank. Okay?
okay, sir.
Right. The book is about man who lives on small island.
The book is about the man who lives on the small island.
No, I think again, I think better tell in Tamil. What are you saying in Tamil? In the meaning in Tamil is சொல்றீங்க.
And the book வந்து அந்த மணி அந்த சின்ன
இல்ல அந்த புக் வந்து ஒரு மனுஷன்.
அந்த சின்ன
Amen.
ஆமா. அந்த சின்ன ஐலண்ட்ல இருக்கிற ஒரு மனுஷனை பத்தி. The book is about a man who lives on
the
no again
All
the book is about a man who lives on a small island. And the book and the small islandல இருக்கிற மனுஷனை பத்தி. The book is about a man who lives on a small island. ஒரு small islandல ஒரு மனுஷனை பற்றி தான் அந்த புக் எழுதியிருக்காங்க. About a man who lives on a small island. Okay, so both are. I work as only English teacher at this school.
and
No. I work as the only. In the school, நான் மட்டும் தான் அந்த English teacher. I work as the only English teacher. ஒரே English teacher. The only. Okay. Harry fixed car so we can go to lake.
the car
Harry fixed the car. Okay.
can go to the lake.
So we can go to the lake. Okay. Harry fixed the car so we can go to the lake. She goes to work by bike. No, nothing there because she goes to work by bike. I go by car. I go by bus. Okay, you can't say I go by the bus. I go by bus. I go by car. She goes to work by bike. Okay. Jemmy likes music. He plays instrument.
Likes the music.
No, Jemmy likes music. Blank. Okay, Jemmy likes music. He plays instrument.
yeah, instrument.
No, he plays an instrument. Or instrument. He likes music. He plays an instrument. Our instrument vasippai. He plays an instrument. Okay. Mari enjoys eating Swiss cheese.
Yeah.
No, blank. Mari enjoys eating Swiss cheese. Okay, nothing. You don't have to put anything. Mari enjoys eating. I enjoy eating chocolates. So no putting the. Mari enjoys eating Swiss cheese. Okay, we have small house in village in Germany.
We have
A small house
Small house
in the village.
in a village
blank.
in Germany. Okay, we have a small house or a small house in a village or a village in Germany. In Germany, no, nothing before Germany. So this is now this article we have to practice a lot. I think practice is the main thing because when you do more, I think you understand more how to do it. So let's do another exercise. I think then you all will get some. 1 minute. Okay, let's see this one. He bought cheese and butter.
He bought the
Nothing.
Nothing. He bought cheese and
butter.
he bought cheese and nothing. Okay, he bought cheese and butter. He bought milk and bread. Nothing. You don't put anything. You don't say he bought the milk and cheese and butter. No, just nothing. He bought cheese and butter. Okay, cows give us milk.
Nothing.
Nothing. Cows give us milk. Nothing. I don't take sugar in tea.
I don't take care.
Yeah.
No, nothing. I don't take sugar.
In
I
the
don't
tea.
take sugar in the tea. Okay, I don't take sugar in the tea. Sugar. I don't take sugar in the tea. Okay, I need pen and paper to make notes.
Yeah, pen.
I need the
I need
Yeah, pen.
a pen or a pen. I need a pen and
paper.
no, pen and paper. You can keep this blank. I need a pen and paper. Or you can say I need a pen and a paper. That's what you can say. So both are correct. I need a pen and a paper to make notes. May I have a cup of tea, please?
Blank.
May I have
Add
a cup of tea? Okay. May I have a cup of tea, please? எனக்கு ஒரு கப் டீ குடுக்குறீங்களா? ஒரு கப் டீ. May I have a cup of tea, please? Yesterday I read book on philosophy.
Yeah, book.
I read on the
I read a book on blank.
On the philosophy.
Blank. Okay, yesterday I read a book or a book
what
on philosophy. No, nothing. Okay, if you say on English, on history, anything you know, no, nothing. You don't put the. Okay, what good news?
what the
What the good news?
What are good news? Okay, what are good news? Okay. Okay, she eats potatoes with fork.
Blank, nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, here nothing. She eats potatoes with
With a
a fork. Okay, with a fork. What beautiful song.
what the
What a beautiful song. Yes. A cat eats mice.
Nothing.
nothing.
that
A cat eats mice. Nothing. A cat eats mice. Okay. Sharing is caring.
Yeah.
Huh? Sharing is caring.
Nothing.
Nothing. Sharing is caring. That's all. No, nothing. Okay. I used to take sugar in my coffee, but I am on diet.
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing. I used to take sugar. Okay, you can't say I used to take the sugar. I used to take sugar in my sugar, but I am on
Yeah, diet.
a diet. Okay, I am on a diet. Or a diet. I am on a diet. Okay, it costs 50 pounds and cent.
Nothing.
Nothing.
And a cent.
Yes, sir.
A cent, yes. 50 pounds and a cent. Okay, you can pay by check here.
Let's check.
Nothing.
Nothing. You can pay by check. You can pay by check here. You don't, nothing. Okay, you can pay by check here. Okay, Mr. Brown is old customer and honest man. He has
Nothing.
been accused of dishonest. Mr. Brown is
And
Nothing.
and Mr. Brown is an old customer or old customer. And
the
no, and.
Yeah.
Mr. Brown is an old customer and an honest man. He has been accused of Dishonesty is what Tamil dishonesty na?
நேர்மையற்று. நேர்மையற்றவர்.
Nermeter. Okay, so he has been accused of dishonesty. So what do you put here? Nothing. Okay, Mr. Brown is an old customer and an honest man. He has been accused of dishonesty. Okay, dishonesty is a quality like patience or love. So you can't put a love or the love. So he has been accused of dishonesty. Okay, I am self-employed man. I have business of my own.
I am a
Yes, I am a self-employed man. I have
That
no again. Okay, I am a self-employed man. I have a business of my own. எனக்கு ஒரு business. Okay. He was charged with murder and he said he had alibi.
nothing.
Nothing. He was charged with murder and he said he had alibi.
Yeah.
No, and because A, alibi. And what is the meaning of alibi? Anyone knows the meaning of alibi in Tamil?
இவை இருந்து.
Okay, alibi is now supposing you are caught for something, but you say I was at that time with my friend. So the friend is the alibi. Understood?
Yes, yes.
If you say I was not there at that time, I was with my friend. So the friend it becomes the alibi. That's why he was charged with murder and he said he had an alibi. Okay, so he had an alibi. Right. I have hour and half lunch. I only have half hour.
Another.
I have half an hour and I have an hour and half.
Nothing.
No, I have an hour and half.
None.
I have an hour and a half.
For lunch.
That means one and a half. Okay. Hour and a half is 1 half. So I have an hour and a half for lunch. I have only half an hour. Half an hour. Half an hour is 30 minutes. Half.
20 minutes.
Okay, half. Okay, I hope you have lovely time and good weather.
Nothing.
I hope you have, no, you have to put a, I hope you have a lovely time. And
the
Yeah.
no, good weather.
Yeah.
Nalla weather, so
Yeah.
you don't have to put anything. Okay, I hope you have a lovely time and good weather. That's all. Okay, I hope you have a lovely time and good weather. Okay, these ones. There was man and woman in room. Man was English, but woman looked foreign. She was wearing new coat. Okay, what do you put? There
There
was,
was a man.
okay, there was a man and
woman
The woman
a woman
In the
the
room.
in the room.
in the room.
The
Okay.
man was
English,
but the woman
but the woman looked foreign.
was wearing.
She
Yeah.
was wearing
Yeah.
that you
Yeah.
she was wearing a new coat. Okay, ஒரு புது coat. She was wearing a new coat. Okay, this morning I bought
Okay.
newspaper and magazine. Newspaper is in my bag, but I don't know where magazine is.
This morning I got a newspaper
Okay, this morning I bought a newspaper and
and the magazine
no,
and a magazine.
a magazine.
The newspaper.
The newspaper is in my bag, but I don't know where.
The magazine. The magazines.
Yes. I bought a newspaper and a magazine. The newspaper is in my bag, but I don't know where the magazine is. My parents have cat and dog. Dog never bites cat, but cat often scratches dog.
My parents have
A cat,
and
A dog.
a dog.
huh?
A dog.
The dog never bites.
A cat.
The dog never bites the cat, but
The cat.
the cat often scratches
The dog.
the dog. Okay. Right. I saw accident this morning. Car crashed into wall. Driver of car was not hurt, but car was quite badly damaged.
Nothing.
I saw an
Yeah.
accident.
Saw that.
நான் ஒரு accident பார்த்தேன்.
An accident.
I saw an accident this morning.
The car.
The car.
No,
A
ஒரு
car.
car, ஒரு
A
car,
car. A
a
car.
car crashed into
The wall.
a
The
wall.
wall.
A wall. ஒரு car ஒரு wall ஒரு crash பண்ணி into a wall.
And
The driver.
A driver.
The driver of
Yeah. Car.
The driver of
and
the car was not hurt,
or
but
but
Then
the car was quite badly damaged. Okay. When you turn into Winston Road, you will see 3 houses, red one, blue one, and white one. I live in white one.
when you turn into the
Oh, here nothing. Okay, when you turn into Winston Road, you will see 3 houses.
nothing.
Nothing. Okay, when you turn into Winston Road, you will see 3 houses. Red one,
Yeah.
a red.
Nothing.
or red one, a red
A
one,
red.
A blue one.
a blue one,
Yeah. White.
And a white.
and a white one. I live in
A white.
I live in the white. Okay, when you turn into Winston Road, you will see 3 houses. A red one, a blue one, and a white one. I live in the white one.
ஒரு கல்யாண வீட்லயும் பார்த்தேன் 2-3 இடத்துல பார்த்தேன்னா
Okay, we live in old house in middle of village. There is beautiful garden behind house. Roof of house is very bad condition.
We live in the
We live in
And.
yes, we
And-
live in ants. நாங்க ஒரு பழைய வீட்ல இருக்கோம். In middle of
the middle of
in the middle
the middle of
of
The
a
village.
village. A
in the middle of a village. ஒரு villageல. அந்த ஒரு village நடுவுல. In the middle of a village. There is
Yeah.
a beautiful.
there is a beautiful garden behind
The house.
the house.
The roof
The roof.
The roof of
of a house.
no, the roof of the house.
The
அந்த
house.
வீட்ல the roof of the house, not ஒரு வீட்ல. The roof of the house is in a very bad condition. Okay, this one. Coal is $60 ton at the moment. Biscuits are coal is $60.
But
Nothing.
No, $60. 1 ton. 1 ton is $60. A ton, yes.
A ton.
$60. So coal is $60 a ton. 1 ton, $60. Biscuits are 60 rupees
a
A packet.
A packet.
a packet. Okay, 1 packet, 60 rupees. So you say a packet. Biscuits are rupees 60 a packet. Okay, do you like wine? I don't drink alcohol.
Like it wine. Yeah, wine.
nothing.
No, do you like wine? Do
Nothing.
you like milk?
Nothing.
Do
Nothing.
you like wine? I don't drink.
The
The alcohol.
No, I don't drink alcohol. That's also nothing.
Nothing.
I don't drink alcohol. Do you like wine? I don't drink alcohol. Okay, Blank. Okay, have you done washing up?
Blank.
No, you have to put the. Have you done the washing up? Ninga washing up பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Washing up. The, have you done the washing up? Okay, he gave me diamond necklace.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, he gave me a diamond necklace. I like tea with milk in it.
Like
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Nothing.
you can't say I like tea.
That.
Nothing.
I like tea with blank, nothing. I like tea with milk in it. Okay, nothing. I saw her when she was going to work.
Or,
Blank.
Yeah.
to the work. The
Yeah.
No, I saw her when she was going to work. Nothing. Okay, I saw her when she was going to work. No the, no her, nothing. I stayed at home last night and listened to radio.
Blank. Blank.
nothing. Nothing.
And listened to,
Blank.
Yeah.
Nothing. Nothing.
no, the you can put. Okay, I listened to the radio. I stayed at home last night and listened to the radio. Okay, the radio. Okay, I think guitar is one of easiest instruments to play.
Blank.
Yeah.
No, I think the guitar. I think the guitar is one of
Not
the,
the.
the easiest instruments to play. Okay, I think the guitar is one of the easiest instruments to play. I think it's made of glass.
Blank.
It's blank. Okay, I'll have dozen eggs and loaf of bread, please.
Blank.
No, yes,
and
I'll
loaf
have
of-
a dozen eggs and
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yellow.
a loaf of bread, please. Okay, I'll have a dozen eggs and a loaf of bread, please. It's fast car. Its top speed is 120 minutes hour.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a fast car. The fast car. Its top speed is 120 minutes
And
an hour. Okay. There is someone at front door.
the door.
Blank. Blank. Blank.
No, you have to put the. There is someone at the front door. Okay, munkadula yaro irukanga. There is someone at the front door. Okay, there you put the. When he was 19, he joined army.
Blank.
Nothing.
And army.
No, he joined the army. He joined the army. Okay, when he was 19, he joined an army. No, an army you cannot say. When he was 19, he joined the army. Okay, oru army you can't say oru army joined pannaru. He joined the army. Army joined pannaru. So you put the. Would you like cup of coffee, please?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you mind waiting for a couple of minutes?
A couple of minutes.
A couple of minutes. Would you mind waiting for a couple of minutes? Are you drinking milk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I told you, no, milk, cannot milk, water, nothing.
Nothing.
Are you drinking milk? Okay. Do you like fast cars?
Yeah. Plus.
No, nothing. Do you like fast cars? Nothing. Do you like fast cars? Okay. He gave me orange.
And.
Yes, he gave me an orange. Have you got umbrella?
And umbrella.
Yes, have you got an umbrella? He asked me for money.
Blank.
Blank. He asked me for money.
Nothing.
I asked for bread and cheese.
Nothing.
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 Nothing. I asked for bread and cheese. I had glass of water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I had a glass of water. I'd like coffee and tea.
Nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like a coffee. Yeah, you can say here, you can put you can keep blank also. I like a coffee and a tea. So you can put both. Here you can put both. I like a coffee and a tea. I'd like sandwich, please.
Blank.
Yeah.
Yes, or a sandwich. I'd like a sandwich, please. Okay. I'd like apple and orange, please.
I like apple and the orange.
And apple and orange.
And an orange. Okay, I'd like an apple and an orange, please. Okay. Is there telephone here?
Yeah.
Is there a telephone here? Ingo telephone irka? Is there a telephone? They wanted information about trains.
Blank.
Yes, you can put blank. You can also put the. Okay. They wanted information about the trains. That's also correct. Or you can say they wanted information about trains. Both are correct. Okay. They've got
Yeah.
very big house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A very big house. We had egg for breakfast.
And egg for egg.
We had an egg for.
The big.
Yeah.
No. Again blank. Breakfast. I told you, we had for lunch. You can't say the lunch. We had for lunch.
We want.
Okay, we watched films all afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you can't say because films is plural.
Or.
You can say we watched the films all afternoon. Blank. We watched the films all afternoon. Okay. This morning I had boiled egg and toast for breakfast.
Yeah.
Yes, I had this morning I had a boiled egg and toast for breakfast. President of the United States is elected every 4 years.
The.
Yeah.
Yes,
That.
the President of the United States is elected every 4 years. As I was walking along street, I saw rupees 10 on the pavement.
Yes.
As I was walking along the street, I saw,
That.
no,
Yeah.
நான் நடந்து போச்சுல
Yeah.
ஒரு 10 rupee note, a 10 rupee note. Okay. It was getting dark in room, so I turned on light.
Blank.
The room.
It was getting dark in
The room.
Yeah. Room.
the room. It was getting dark in the room, so I turned on
The light.
The light.
a light. Okay. There were no chairs, so we all had to sit on floor,
The.
on the floor. As soon as I saw fire, I called fire brigade.
Yeah.
No, as soon as I saw the fire, as soon as I saw the fire, I called.
Yeah.
No, I called the fire brigade. Okay, you can't say I called a fire brigade. As soon as I saw the fire, I called the fire brigade. Okay, I went into shop and asked to speak to manager.
To the.
I went into the shop and asked to speak to.
To the
Yeah. Manager.
No, to the manager. I went into the shop and asked to speak to the manager. Okay. Have you got car? No, I have never had car in my life.
The.
No, what is the meaning in Tamil? Have you got car?
Yeah.
உங்களுக்கு ஒரு car இருக்கா? Have you got a car? No, I have never had.
The God in my life.
No, a car.
Yeah.
உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கார் இருக்கா? அப்ப ஆன்சர் இல்ல. எனக்கு ஒருபோதும் ஒரு கார் கிடையாது எனக்கு. Okay, I never had a car in my life. ஒரு கார். Okay, so both means both are a. There's no need to buy milk. Milkman brings it every morning. There's no need.
Yeah.
No, I told you, no milk, water, nothing.
By
You don't. There's no need to buy milk.
Yeah.
Milkman. Actually, yes, the milkman brings it every morning. There is no need to buy milk. The milkman brings it every morning. Bill wasn't feeling well, so he went to.
Yeah. Doctor. The doctor.
Yeah, he went to the doctor. Bill wasn't feeling well, so he went to the doctor. Okay, now this exercise, filling the blanks with the only where necessary. Okay, only where necessary you have to use. Okay, so did you get married after leaving university?
The.
No, now say, did you get married after leaving school? Do you say the school or school?
Nothing.
Nothing. Did you get married after leaving school? Did you get married after leaving university? No, Nothing. Okay. I was at train station when you called me.
The.
Yes, I was at the train station when you called me. I left work at 6 o'clock p.m.
The work.
No, nothing. I left work. Okay, I left work at 6 o'clock. Nothing. Okay, they are opening new shops here.
The new shops here.
They are opening.
The
They are opening new shops. Who the shop திறக்கறாங்க? Okay, so you don't have to say they are opening the new shops. They are opening new shops. Okay, she was returning from school when I met her.
The school.
The.
No, returning from school like this one here, university.
Nothing.
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 She was returning from school when I met her. Okay, our school la irundhu திரும்பி வந்துட்டு இருந்தா. Okay, she was at cinema at moment accident took place.
Blank.
Nothing.
No, she was at the cinema. Okay, she was at the cinema at the moment the accident took place. Okay, she was at the cinema at the moment the accident took place. அந்த டைம்ல அவ சினிமாக்குள்ள இருந்தா. அந்த சினிமா. She was at the cinema. Okay, are you going to beach this afternoon?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Are you going to the beach? Are you going to the beach this afternoon? He went to prison for stealing money.
The
No, nothing. Okay, he went to prison. He went to prison for stealing money. No, the kids are sitting at the table eating cereals.
at the table.
At the table. Kids are sitting at the table. Are you at home?
Are you at
Nothing.
home?
Nothing. Are you at home? Okay, so I think we have done a lot of these exercises. Any questions you all have about this? But this is something that you can't learn. You have to do a lot of practice. Okay, the more you practice this, then only you understand where to use the and and. Any questions or doubts you all having?
யூஸ் பண்றதுல தான் கொஞ்சம்
ஆமா,
confusion.
அதுதான் that comes with practice. Like I told you, and you can say ஒரு book, ஒரு house. But the is a little bit tricky, கொஞ்சம் tricky, but it will come when you practice more. Now, okay, we'll do another passage. Let's try this one. Okay, let's do this passage. What will you put here in the blanks? I
I
am,
am a doctor.
okay, I am a doctor. I live
I
in
live in the house, in a house
a house in
in
There's seven.
nothing.
no, nothing. Okay, I am a doctor. I live in a house in 7th Street. Nothing. Okay, right. Next one. I have
I have a son.
no.
I have son.
I have a son. எனக்கு ஒரு மகனும் ஒரு மகளும் இருக்காங்க. I have a son and a daughter. I have a son and a daughter. They are both studying.
In this school.
Correct. Because in the school that is down our lane. அந்த ஸ்கூல்ல எங்க லேன்ல இருக்கிற அந்த ஸ்கூல்ல தான் படிக்கிறாங்க. They are studying in the school that is down our lane. Okay, we have
a
no. We have
nothing.
no.
And.
Vowel.
And
Okay, we have an. We have an
house.
Alsatian dog and
The
Yeah.
cat.
a cat.
A cat.
We have an Alsatian dog and a cat as our pets. Okay, the Marina Beach is very close to our house.
Nothing.
I travel daily to my office, which is situated at
Nothing.
yes, at the. Okay, I travel daily to my office, which is situated at the Spencer Plaza complex. Okay, at the, you have to put the, because that's the name of that building. When you put the name, then you have to put the Spencer Plaza complex in
Blank.
Chennai. Blank. Okay, blank. On weekends, Our family travels to our holiday home in Chengalpet. What do you put
Nothing.
here?
Nothing.
Nothing. Blank. We have coconut estate.
We have a coconut.
Yes, we have a coconut estate in Chengalpet.
Blank.
Nothing. Nothing.
Blank, blank, which is 2 kilometers from Chengalpet market.
Blank.
Nothing.
No, here you put the because now here you're saying Chengalpet market.
From the
Okay, not
Chengalpet.
Chengalpet, Chengalpet market. Now, if you say Chengalpet bus station, you must say the Chengalpet bus station. Similarly, the Chengalpet market. Okay, so you have to put the here. There is the you have to put. Okay, there is watchman.
There is, yeah.
There is a watchman.
Yeah.
And
Estate, vowel. Okay, because E is vowel. So an estate superintendent who look after.
And estate.
No. Now we are talking about this estate, my estate. So now we have already told about the estate, coconut estate in Chengalpet. So here when you are saying estate, what do you put here?
And
No, அந்த estate.
there is
இப்ப நாங்க அந்த estate பத்தி தான் பேசுறோம். அந்த செங்கல்பட்டுல இருக்கிற estate பத்தி. So you have to put the estate, who look after the estate. Okay, there are lot of elephants. There are
Blank.
yeah,
there are a lot of
and
Blank.
no blank. No, an is only one. Okay, inga plural, elephants, plural. So you can't say an. And an is only for singular. Okay, oru. So you can't put and an for plural. Inga elephants is plural. Okay, so there are a lot of elephants. Nothing, blank. Living close to.
there is
No, again the.
there is it.
Here, can you put here also? We put the. Now here also the estate. We are talking about that estate, Chengalpattu estate. Okay, last week elephant.
And
Last week an elephant, or elephant, came into
the
Estate.
came into the estate,
uprooted a lot
One minute. Now, when we are saying the, last time I taught you, because E is a vowel,
yeah,
how do you pronounce this?
the estate.
The estate, yes.
The estate.
The estate, because vowel. Okay, elephant came into the estate and uprooted
yeah,
a
lot of the trees.
lot of blank, lot of trees. Okay, uprooted a lot of trees. That's all. No, nothing. No, which were planted recently. I enjoyed traveling to.
And
No. Again,
There is
Okay, the estate. On weekends. My children also enjoy
the weekend.
the weekend trips to Chengalpet.
blank.
Blank.
only.
My wish is to buy
An estate.
an estate in
Osur.
And our
Blank.
Osur, in
Osur. That's it.
Blank.
Osur,
Super.
and to travel by
the car.
no, nothing. To travel by car once
Yeah,
A month.
once, yeah.
once a month. To
We
enjoy.
nothing.
No. To enjoy the
Nice
the nice weather
in and
in
Blank.
Osur. Blank. Okay. So I think this is a good exercise to learn all that and the. Okay, so I think that's about it for this week for article. I think we've done a lot of exercises on this. Any questions, anything else? I think it's very difficult to explain this because it only comes with practice. So you have, when you're reading more of English, then you'll understand where to use and an. And an is easy. The is the problem. And some places you don't have to use. But remember, when you are telling the name of a place like Chennai, you don't say anything. I am going to Chennai. Okay, you can't say I am going. And also remember the other thing is, if you say United Kingdom or United States, there we have to say the.
Yeah.
You say I am going to the. I am
United
going to
States.
the United States. You can't say I am going to United States. I am going to the United States. I am going to the UAE, United Arab Emirates. I am going to the United Arab Emirates. But otherwise, if you are telling any other country, you don't have to put anything. I am going to Australia. I am going to England. I am going to Germany. Okay, so you can't put anything before that. It's all blank. Okay, any other questions? Anyone has, please? Anything you all? Have you all been clear with this? The article. It's called the article. So using a, and the. No other questions? Nothing. Clear. So I'll send you this. I'll send you the exercises we did today. So please go through that. Okay, if you go through it, if you keep reading, and then when you are doing other exercises in English, you will be able to understand where to use the and where to use all the and also. Okay, then. So next week, I think we'll have to start on a new lesson. We'll start on, it's going to be adjectives next week.
Adjectives, okay.
Okay, so hopefully we'll see you next week then. Thank you
Okay.
very much. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Like in the school. Thank you, sir. With a tune.
Okay, thanks. Michael.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
See you again. See you again. Bye.
சார் கம்மியாயிடுச்சு.
ஏடா ஆமா என்னன்னு தெரியல, என்ன நடக்குன்னு தெரியல. பரவாயில்ல, யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்து இருக்கிறவங்க வருவாங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். என்ன
அவ்வளவுதான்.
இன்னும் சில பேர் வந்து நம்ம தான் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ண வீடியோ பார்க்கலாமே அப்படின்னு நினைச்சுப்பாங்களா இருக்கும். சரி, பரவாயில்ல. ஆனா அவர் முதல்ல சொன்னாரு சாரு, ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கிறதுனால மக்கள் வந்து ஒழுங்கா வராம போவாங்க, அது மட்டும் தான் முதல்ல சொல்லுங்கன்னு சொன்னாரு. நம்ம சொல்லியாச்சு, போதும் போதும், சின்சியரா வந்தா போதும், நல்லா இருக்கும்.
எப்படி நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?